Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Commerce and Trust mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bank of Commerce and Trust is a mobile banking app designed to provide users with secure, on-the-go access to their finances. The app offers functionalities including balance inquiries, transaction history, fund transfers between accounts, mobile check deposits, bill payments, and account alerts. It is available on both iOS and Android, supporting secure authentication methods such as fingerprint or Face ID where available. The app's main feature is its comprehensive mobile banking interface. You can view your account activity in real time, deposit checks by taking photos, set up recurring payments, transfer money between accounts or to others, and receive notifications for key changes in your account. It also supports branch and ATM location tools for convenience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean layout, reliable mobile deposit experience, and fast access to account details. The convenience of handling routine banking tasks anytime, anywhere enhances the overall experience, and the alerts help users keep track of spending and activity. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users have experienced occasional delays with mobile check deposit or transfers, depending on account type or bank policy. Advanced financial tools like investment tracking or multi-bank aggregation are limited or unavailable. Some features may also vary depending on branch or account eligibility. In summary, the Bank of Commerce and Trust app may be worth using if you want dependable, everyday mobile banking for tasks like checking balances, transferring funds, depositing checks, and paying bills. However, if you're looking for advanced financial tools or broader compatibility with external institutions, you may need additional solutions. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.